So since we have the front of the car taken apart and things are easy to get to, we're also putting shocks on the front. Mark's loosening the 2 bolts that hold the bottom of the shock in place. They're like the top of the rear shock. They have 2 bolts that hold it, and they usually have a slot in them so that you can adjust them pretty easily. The shocks in the front are not the limiting factor in the travel of the spring, so Mark doesn't have to support the front end. They have bump stops up under the control arm that take care of that. There's a couple of ways you can do this job. It's really hard to get a nut loose on a shock. All it wants to do, because of the rust, is turn the shock around and around in circles. So you get the vice grips and you put that on there, and then you get a torch and you heat it up, or you just get a really long extension and go back and forth 8 times and you break that sucker off. Getting old shocks off is a real hassle. Mark's taking the easy way here. It's a little bit boring to watch him go back and forth like this, but it beats the heck out of the torch and vice grips and welding wrenches on there and all the other tricks that we know.